read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, respected teachers. How are you? Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. What are the expected learning outcomes of number 5? The student is expected to count, identify, and trace numbers up to 5. Order and sequence numbers to 5. Now, we will teach to the students how to trace it, how to count, and how to read. Start from the dot, come straight down, make semicircle, make sleeping line. It will make number 5. Now, you will develop the sense how to count the things. You could count 5 fingers, any kind of 5 objects, and these 5 penguins. After that, you have to read this line, and after that, recall the rhyme with the students. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.
eSchoolify.